Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can optimize your site for search engines or do SEO for your site through cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, cPanel is your website management side of things on your server, so it is not directly related to SEO. It's going to be relatively difficult to do SEO there, so you should most likely focus on anything else you're using to build your site, whether it's your own uh, files that you've created, or if it's on a web hosting service or a web builder such as WordPress or Squarespace or Wix. You should do most of your SEO there. However, you can also do it through cPanel through the site builder tool, which I'll show you how to do right now. Now, you just need to launch the site builder from your cPanel after logging in, then click on the settings icon and then choose pages. From here, you can select the page you want to optimize and then go to the SEO tab, and then you can enter your page title, the description, keywords, and a user-friendly URL. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Now, of course, your title should be short and sweet, and it should contain specifically what your page is about. Make sure to limit it to at most 4 words. However, even fewer is better. The description should also include those 4 keywords, and you should pretty much just put them wherever you can so the search engines can pick them up. Of course, under keywords, keep the keywords simple, keep them short, and keep them few, and that should be it. You can also add an image to this, and of course the user-friendly URL should be precisely for maximum, of course. However, precisely for does perform quite well for search engine optimization. And yeah, you can here you can find some tips. Of course, the title is critical to giving users quick insight, and it's how the page will appear in the search engine listing and is often the primary piece of information. The description field should describe what is on the page in 1 or 2 short sentences, which should include the keywords as well. Of course, the keywords are short words that describe your website. Of course, use a few words. There is no right number. However, around 4 is best. But there is an advantage in using more than that or repeating words to make the search engines pick it up. However, keep the variation to about 4 or such. Now, for the URL, as I mentioned, of course, should be constructed in a manner to humans, when possible, of course, readable words rather than long ID numbers. And if you're setting up an about us, just about-us is the friendliest URL you can have. Then click apply once you're done with everything. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.